During this video, we are going to look at these examples. I'm going to complete them for you, and I'm going to walk you through these particular steps again. We have formulas and then we have names. You need to be able to go between each of them with relative ease for the rest of the year. So we're going to start at step 1 again. It says, are there two, and I had you change this to atoms. Are there two atoms? So I'm going to take a look. SiBr4. Yes, there are two atoms there. I'm going to move on to step number 2 because it tells me if yes, continue. Are both elements non-metals? So I have an Si and I have a Br4. So I'm going to take a look at my periodic table. Si is here, Br is there. Both of them are to the right of the stair-step line, so they are both non-metals. Therefore, I'm going to move on to step 2. Count the number of each type of atom. I have 1 Si, and then I have 4 Br4s. We're going to determine the prefix needed to describe the total number of each atom. My prefix is right here. Right? Mono is 1, and tetra is 4. Step 4, write the name. I'm going to write the name of the first, making sure to add the prefix to the front, unless the first one is singular and then no prefix. Si, there's only one of them, so I'm not going to add the prefix mono. I'm just going to write the name. Then I'm going to write the name of the other nonmetal, making sure to add the prefix. So the prefix in front is tetra, and then I have bromine, but I need to remember to change the ending to "ide", so I change the ending to "ide". Silicon tetrabromide, I need to change the ending to "ide". Moving on to oxygen, the name oxygen looks kind of weird because there's only one word. Like, would it even be covalent? But if we take a look here on our diatomic list, oxygen is part of it. So it means it's a 2-atom ion. And the formula is going to be O2 because it's diatomic. This is because it's a diatomic. All right, the next one, CF4. Are there two atoms? Yes. Are both elements non-metals? Carbon and fluorine. So I'm going to go to my periodic table. Right. Carbon, fluorine. They're both to the right of the stair-step line, so they are both non-metals, and I'm going to continue. I have 1 carbon, I have 4 fluorine, so again I have the mono and the tetra for the prefixes, but the first element is singular, so no prefix. So carbon, I have tetra, and then I have fluor, rather than fluorine, I have fluoride. Make it all one color. I just want you to see it. All right, last one right here. I got some prefixes going on. Disulfur, di and hex are prefixes. So let's go to our list if we're not sure. Di is 2, hexa is 6. So this one is 2 and this one is 6. Now I have to take a look at the actually element. Sulfur is S, so S2, and iodide was iodine, so I6. These are examples that you should have on page 81 for naming covalent molecules.